Ready to take your health tracking to the next level? Meet the Google Fitbit Air, a lightweight, screen-free fitness tracker that monitors your activity, heart rate, sleep, and recovery. It delivers personalized insights to help you build healthier habits and stay on track every day. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Google Fitbit Air USB-C charging cable, user manual. How to pair. Download and open the Google Health app on your Android or iPhone, then sign in with your Google account to begin the setup process. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, tap Add Device in the app, select Google Fitbit Air, and follow the on-screen instructions to securely pair the tracker with your device. Complete your profile, set your health and fitness goals, and allow the required permissions. Once setup is complete, your Fitbit Air will automatically sync your activity, heart rate, sleep, and recovery data to the app, giving you personalized health insights. How to wear. Wear Google Fitbit Air. Adjust the woven band. Change the band. Wear Google Fitbit Air with Google Pixel Watch. How to wear. Get to know Google Fitbit Air. Check your device status. Check your battery level. How to wear. Set alarms. Track your activity and health metrics. Get your metrics. Track exercise with the Google Health app. Receive irregular rhythm notifications. Estimate your SpO2. Get proactive wellness insights from a personal health coach, Google Health Premium only. How to charge. Attach the magnetic charging cable to the back of your Google Fitbit Air, then connect the USB-C end to a compatible power adapter or USB port. Allow it to charge for about 90 minutes to reach a full battery, providing up to 7 days of use. Smart features. The Google Fitbit Air features an ultra-lightweight, screen-free design that feels almost unnoticeable on your wrist. Its comfortable, micro-adjustable fit makes it easy to wear all day, during workouts, and even while you sleep without getting in the way. Advanced sensors continuously monitor your heart rate, activity, sleep, recovery, and other essential health metrics. It also automatically detects workouts and provides detailed insights to help you better understand your overall wellness. With up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge, you can track your health around the clock without constantly recharging. Fast charging ensures you're ready to go again in no time. When paired with the Google Health app, Fitbit Air transforms your health data into personalized fitness, sleep, and recovery guidance. Powered by Gemini, it offers adaptive coaching and actionable insights to help you make smarter health decisions every day. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.